Hi guys, I'm back again. It's Ronald and today I'm going to be unboxing the HOLYLAND MARS 300 Pro wireless video transmitter. HOLYLAND Technology is a leading manufacturer who focuses on wireless data, video, audio transmission solutions and products. These include HDMI products and intercom products. And we've got one of the HDMI products with us today, which is the all-new HOLYLAND MARS 300 Pro wireless transmitter. Let's get right into the unboxing. Well guys, this is the user guide, obviously the MARS 300 Pro user guide. Yeah, so this is the after sales card. Let's get in touch with you. Thank you very much. Okay guys, so this is the HOLYLAND MARS 300 Pro transmitter, and yeah, it's obvious that this is the transmitter because I can't see a screen on it where I'm going to be watching my footages from. Yeah, so this is the transmitter. Okay guys, so this is the HOLYLAND MARS 300 Pro receiver, and at this point I'm surprised because I can't see a screen where I'm going to be previewing my footages from. Well, we have actually never used a wireless transmitter before, so it's going to take us time to figure this out, and we're definitely going to be dropping a review video after we've had time to use this gadget. Alright guys, so there's a Type-C USB cord that came with the transmitter and receiver, and some other accessories that it's obvious you could use this one to mount the receiver or the transmitter on your camera. So this is everything in the box. Okay guys, I've come to the end of this unboxing video. You know, I think we should do this together in my next review video that is going to be dropping soon. If you want to get the HOLYLAND MARS 300 Pro, go to holylandtech.com and let's experiment together. Peace out. If you want to see more cool videos like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we also have a Patreon page where you can support us as creators to help us make more cool content like this.